Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Valeria Rebrentceva. I am the Executive Business Manager at CS Global Partners in London. Those of you familiar with the investor immigration industry likely know that we are the official government-authorized marketing promoter for 3 Caribbean countries, including Dominica, St. Kitts Nevis, and St. Lucia. As leaders in citizenship and residency solutions, I'm excited to be speaking at the Bosco Online Workshop on May 12th. I'm sure you have many questions considering these extraordinary circumstances we live in today. Luckily, if there is anyone who has the right answers, it says Global Partners. Can we submit applications for citizenship online? Yes, we can, but only for certain countries. What to look out for when you pick a program? Well, there is no glove that fits all, so I will explain what program suits whom, especially on the backdrop of the current pandemic. So tune into the Bosco Online Workshop on May 12th. Registration is now open. Lots of tips and advice to share. You don't want to miss out. Stay safe and see you soon.